This is our Grizzly knee type mill. It's single phase 220 volt. It's a model G3616 9.5 inch by 31.5 inch table. It's got an R8 spindle. It's got a universal table, which means it swivels. It's got a power feed. Basic machine, virtually unused. We'll show you a video of some things working. Power feed, slowing down, going in the opposite direction. Wheel. It's a step pulley machine, so it's only in one speed. Knee like a normal mill. Cross. Saw longitudinal movement. This is our 2 horsepower single phase Grizzly mill. Thank you for watching.